BandLab versus Audacity. Which audio editor is better? Choosing the right audio editor can transform how you create music without struggling with complicated tools. BandLab offers cloud-based collaboration while Audacity focuses on powerful offline editing. BandLab and Audacity are two popular audio editors with distinct approaches. BandLab is a cloud-based platform designed for collaborative music creation, while Audacity is a free, open-source desktop application focused on detailed audio editing without internet dependency. BandLab is a cloud-based digital audio workstation that lets users create, edit, and share music online. It works through a web browser or mobile app, enabling real-time collaboration with other musicians anywhere. BandLab offers an intuitive interface with built-in instruments, effects, and mastering tools, making it accessible for beginners and pros alike. Its cloud storage means projects are saved automatically and accessible from any device. Strengths include seamless collaboration, social sharing features, and a modern workflow that integrates recording, mixing, and mastering. However, it requires a stable internet connection and may lack some advanced editing features found in desktop software. BandLab is ideal for musicians who want to collaborate remotely, share projects easily, and use a versatile all-in-one platform without installing software. Audacity is a free, open-source audio editor available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. It works as a desktop application, providing detailed waveform editing, multi-track mixing, and support for a wide range of audio formats. Users can record live audio, apply effects, cut, copy, and paste sections with precision. Audacity's strengths lie in its powerful editing capabilities, offline use, and extensive plugin support, making it a favorite for detailed audio work and podcast editing. However, its interface can feel dated and less intuitive for beginners, and it lacks built-in collaboration or cloud features. Audacity suits users who need robust offline audio editing tools without subscription fees, especially podcasters, sound engineers, and musicians focused on precise audio manipulation on their own computers. BandLab and Audacity serve different needs in audio editing. BandLab excels in collaborative workflows, cloud access, and social sharing, perfect for remote teams or creators who want instant project access online. Its modern interface and integrated instruments simplify music production but rely on internet connectivity. Audacity offers advanced offline editing with precise control, ideal for users focused on detailed audio work without distractions. It supports a wider range of plugins and formats but lacks collaboration features and cloud convenience. Choosing between them depends on your workflow. If you prioritize collaboration and ease of access, BandLab is the better choice. If you need powerful offline editing with full control, Audacity fits best. Choose BandLab if you want a cloud-based collaborative platform that combines music creation and sharing with easy access from any device. Opt for Audacity if you require detailed offline audio editing, extensive format support, and powerful plugins without relying on internet connectivity. Both tools offer unique strengths, so select the one that best fits your music production style and workflow.